Acted too much activator.
Are we fighting for? Seems like we do it just for fun. In this stupid war, we play hard with our plastic guns. Breathe deep, bottle it up.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, C
And Jay.
and welcome to the second video of Mukbang Sisters. Today we are doing Blindfolded slime challenge, as you can tell. It's really hot outside. It's great. So, what we have is we have activator, 3 bottles of glue, 2 cups shaving cream, glitter paints, and clay. She'll be making butter slime, and I'll be making fluffy slime. And we're gonna go ahead and get blindfolded. Okay, so let's go ahead and go. Start going, Jade.
Okay.
Oh, I just put my hand in the activator on accident. That's great. Wait, my blindfolded towel. That's great for me. Okay, here. Jade, what are you doing? Okay.
Ew.
What?
I touched something.
I accidentally put my hand in the activator.
Oh, that's what it was. Okay.
I hear that you're doing glue.
I hope I'm in the bowl. I think.
Jade, let me check. Okay, you're good. Ugh, I still have activator over my hands. Just wait, just roll. Just double.
Okay.
What?
What's this? Okay.
Okay, remember you're doing clay, so you don't need to add any shaving cream in. So you better hope you don't add shaving cream.
I don't know what this is.
Okay.
I don't
okay.
think it is.
Shaving cream. I got the shaving cream. Okay, I just need to figure out how to pop the cap off. Oh, that was easy. Okay, is this in the bowl? Yes. This is.
Oh my god. Okay.
What?
We're gonna pick this one.
I really hope I'm doing this right.
Me too.
Like, I know I am. It's just like I really hope that
That came in.
that it's in the bowl and it's not like. Whoa, that's a lot of shaving cream. I can
Okay.
tell. I can just feel it.
Oh my god. Ow.
Jade, what?
Okay, I'm getting into the clay.
This is just going so great for us.
Okay, where's the activator?
I don't know, Jade. I don't know.
What's this?
My blindfold's going quicker. Jade, I don't know.
What are you?
Ew, it got on my hand.
I got it. I got the activator.
Where's my spoon?
That's cold.
Where's my spoon? Oh.
Oh, that's a lot.
Slime with clay? Yeah, do that. Here, take some shaving cream.
Ew!
Get a pretty color.
I mixed 2 of them.
That's what I'm gonna do. Oh,
Yeah.
that's great. I feel like something just fell out of my
That's glue.
slime.
Ah! I know, right? I think I
Ew.
acted too much activator.
Don't you add a little bit in at a time.
Kind of added a whole bunch.
Jade! That's what you're not supposed to do. Dude! Best color, whatever color this is.
You.
What? Mess it up.
I already messed it up.
This wrong bowl. Wrong bowl. Here, I'll guide you. Right there, right there. Pour. What's up in pour? Pour, just pour it in.
There you go.
Did you even pour? Jade!
What?
What? Gosh. Look at mine. Jade, you added too much active. Where did all your slime go anyways? Okay.
Oh, it's all down here. Oh my gosh. Mine's ruined.
Mine's doing great. Can you add some activator in, please? Because, like, you see? Jade. What do you think you got? What is that?
I don't know.
That ain't slime, I can tell you that.
Should I add more activator?
There's no more.
My slime is so good. Feels like slime.
I know, I had it on my hands. I want to add more color to mine. So guys, this is my slime. And
This is mine.
And oh, that's great. We hope you enjoyed
No, not really.
our video. So if you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe.
And pray for my slime.
Yeah, and we will see y'all next time.
And my mess. Oh my gosh. Bye, I guess. I don't know.
Bye. We'll see.